In this video, I will show you how to connect your hosting or domain to your Squarespace website. So doing this is pretty simple, just follow the steps I'll show you in this video. So first what you want to do is open up Squarespace, and on Squarespace you want to go to the settings icon right here in the left menu, and from there go to domains and email. From there go to domains and click on use a domain I own. Now here type in the domain you bought on Hostinger and click continue, so you can see it's registered on Hostinger. From there click on connect domain, then here for the provider go and select Hostinger. Now in this case it's actually not in here, so then I'll just say other and then click connect domain. Then from there click continue, and now here you have a bunch of custom records. That you need to add. So I'll show you how to do this. So first you can see you have host, type and data. What you want to do first is just copy the first host, which you can do by clicking on it. And now go to Hostinger, then go to domains, and here go to the domain you are connecting and click manage. Then head over into your DNS and name servers and just go and delete the records that you have right now since you don't need those. And then first you can see this one was a CNAME, so then what you'll do is go to type right here and then CNAME, and for the name you want to enter what is on the left here, and then data is in this case verify.squarespace.com. Then you want to go to Hostinger and that's the target. So then click add record, and you want to do the same with all of these. So this CNAME is www, then just copy what it is, and then just copy what it says right there. Go to Hostinger, add another CNAME, for the name enter www, and for the target paste in what you copied. And the rest of these are A targets, and you can see all of them have a root as the name, and then what is on the other side is what you want to copy. So just go to Hostinger, then the type A, name root, points to what you copied. Just do the same thing for all of these, and this is quite simple since this is the default. Now you can see it may ask something like this, since these are very similar but they are different, so you want to add both of them. And then here enter the other ones as well. So then the last one right here, and you can see it keeps asking this, so make sure you have 4 A records, 2 CNAMEs, and all of them are different. And once that's the case, you can then click refresh records, and you can see the first one has already been found, but this can take up to a full 24 hours. But usually it will be done a lot faster, within about 20 minutes. You can see it's only not found this one yet, but as you can see I have already added it with what they are requesting. So in that case, if it is correct, you just need to wait for it and then it will find it automatically. Now again, this can take up to a full day, but usually it will be done within 20 minutes. So you can see they have now actually found that one, but now they haven't. So just give this some time for all the DNS records to propagate, and after it is done, as you can see all of them are now done, you have now connected your domain to your Squarespace website, and if you now go to that domain, it should redirect to the website. And if I go into my domains, you can now see that the connection is still in progress, so just wait for that to say connected like it says on the first one right there. So now you know how to connect a hosting or domain to Squarespace. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.